Ready, start. Sir, I rise to command the Lokpal and the Lokayukts Bill 2011 to the distinguished members of this House. Sir, since my colleague has already commended this bill to the Honorable House, I will not take too much time. I would like to state that this House is confronted with a historic opportunity either to make history or to repeat history, and I am sure that the distinguished members of this House will today collectively make history and not repeat it. Sometimes we have to rise above our political viewpoints and listen to those outside this House, listen to their expectations from the distinguished members of this House, and also listen carefully to the manner in which we have conducted ourselves over the years. I think that never before in the history of this country has such a bill had such a wide public discussion. I think ever since inadequate 8 Lokpal bills have been initiated in this House, and with the exception of one in 1985 which was withdrawn, all other lapsed. Sir, a joint draft committee was set up on the 8th of April 2011. In the course of the joint drafting committee, we heard the voice of the civil society and also opined on what should be the nature of the Lokpal and the Lokayukts bill. Ultimately, there was an all party meeting on 3rd of July 2011, and then we introduced the Lokpal Bill 2011 in the Lok Sabha on the 4th of August 2011. The bill was referred to the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on 8th of August 2011. The Standing Committee had extensive discussions with all concerned stakeholders. In its 48th report, it made a number of recommendations suggesting major amendments in the bill as regards the scope and the content of the bill, including necessary provisions that ought to be incorporated. Then, in the context of the recommendations of the Standing Committee, we withdrew the bill and introduced a fresh bill in the Lok Sabha, a more comprehensive Lokpal and the Lokayukt's Bill of 2011 on the 22nd of December 2011. It was passed on the 27th of December in the Lok Sabha, but when it came to this house adopted a motion on the 21st of May 2012 and referred the matter to the select committee. I must say, and I must compliment the distinguished members of the select committee, that they very carefully looked at various provisions of the bill. Stop.